Hi, my name is Pat Viafor, and I want to talk to you about Selenium fundamentals. This course introduces Selenium, a popular tool used for web automation. Selenium allows you to programmatically control your web browser and interact with all the elements on a web page. There's a current trend moving towards web applications, and we have to know how to test our code there. We want to be able to test our code the same way a user interacts with our web page. Clicking on buttons, inputting forms, handling alerts, manipulating browser windows. Selenium can do this all, and so much more. Selenium has quite a few things working in its favor. It integrates tightly with the standard WebDriver, which means migrating and porting to major browsers is a snap. You're not stuck with just one browser. Selenium also supports multiple language bindings, so you don't have a language lock-in. Python, Ruby, Java, C++, most of the major languages can integrate with Selenium. Selenium is a building block of so many other web testing frameworks. It's important to know because eventually you'll have to dig into it. You also can slot Selenium into any of your testing frameworks, whether they be unit tests, integration tests, or BDD-style acceptance tests. Finally, and most importantly, Selenium is simple, clean, and easy to use. Writing a Selenium script takes minutes, not hours or days, just minutes. This course will guide you through the Selenium fundamentals. We'll start off introducing the benefits of automation, and from there we'll start talking about how to interact with the browser and how to interact with all the elements on a web page. We'll then move on to slightly more advanced topics, like dealing with dynamic elements, advanced element locations, and how to structure your Selenium code for maintainability purposes. Finally, we'll talk about how Selenium can integrate into your testing framework. We'll talk about how to troubleshoot flaky or troublesome tests, go through some common errors, and we'll talk about how to run Selenium scripts in parallel. By the end of this course, you should be able to write Selenium scripts with ease, understand some of the more advanced features of Selenium, be able to slot Selenium scripts into your test framework, and be able to operationalize Selenium scripts in your organization. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.